Mojave Desert, everybody. I'm outside of Mexican Water, Arizona in the Mojave, and it is hot. And I got on black and long johns. And anyways, I decided to pull over here and cool off. I seen this windmill. I know what that means. And I pulled up, and there's a whole bunch of wild horses. They just took off, man. Went this way. They actually have a tunnel underneath of the road right over there, and the horses actually went in that tunnel and came out on the other side. It's amazing. Badass. I've never seen wild horses like that. Always wondered where they bought their shoes though. But anyways, this is the water source right here for watering these ponies, I suppose. And let me tell you, this water feels great. I got my head wet, got my shirt wet, and drank some of it. And you know, they got their little disclaimer here. It tells you not to drink it, but I think they just put that on there for white folks. I think the Indians could probably drink this water, so can I. Anyways, yeah, I think somebody just covering their own ass. Regardless, it tasted good, it felt good, cooled me off, and that's what I was looking for. Plus, I got to see some wild horses. Have a good day, everybody. Love somebody. Vagabond Biker on the road, 2017 East Coast run coming to an end. I'm within 300 miles of the motorhome. So look out, Sue. Here I come. Have a good day. See ya.